In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products using Stripe. This will be a quick 5-minute guide to help you efficiently set up your digital storefront using one of the most popular payment platforms available. We're beginning this journey at the Stripe website. Open your browser and navigate to stripe.com. Once you're there, you'll notice the Sign In button, usually located on the top right of the home page. Click on that to proceed. This will take you to the login page where you will need to enter your email address and password associated with your Stripe account. After you've entered your details, click on the Sign In button to access your dashboard. Once inside your Stripe account, you'll find yourself on the home page. From here, the next move is to locate the product catalog. This is where you'll set up the digital products you wish to sell. Head over to the product catalog section and look for the Create Product button, which will allow you to start adding your digital items. Now it's time to add some details about your product. You'll first want to give your product a name, choose something descriptive and clear as this is what your customers will see. Next, add a description. This is your chance to tell potential buyers exactly what your product is, highlighting any unique features or benefits. Once your product name and description are set, you can upload an image. This visual representation of your product will play a crucial role in attracting customers, so make sure it's clear and professional. After your image is uploaded, select the appropriate product tax code. This step ensures that you're compliant with necessary tax regulations where applicable. Let's move on to the payments section. Choose the payment options that make the most sense for your business and are convenient for your customers. After your payment preferences are set, add a price for your product. It's essential to be competitive and fair, so consider doing some market research if you haven't set this already. Once you're happy with all these details, click Add Product Woshio, and your digital product will be ready to go. Now that your product is in your inventory, it's time to enable customers to purchase it. Head over to the Payment Links section. Click on New to start creating a purchase link for your product. Select the product you just created and explore the options available to tailor the checkout experience to your business needs. You might want to consider things like one-time purchases or subscriptions. Finally, when all your choices are made, click on Create Link. You've just set up your digital product on Stripe and created a seamless way for your customers to buy it. And there you have it. That's how you can efficiently set up and sell digital products using Stripe. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find success with your new digital storefront.